Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Now, the way you see the world depends on where you look at it from, says Clegg, referring to what the physicists call it as the frame of reference. Now, this indirectly relates to the title of this book itself, The Reality Frame. Now, without an understanding of relativity and its inner workings, it will be difficult for you to understand the engineering concepts behind it. And this led Clegg to believe that one of the problems about relativity is that whenever you think about relativity, you always think about Einstein. And this led us to assume that this topic is an incredibly complex matter for you to learn about. But in reality, Clegg says, it's actually incredibly simple. To prove this, he created a model of the universe which comprises of components such as space, time, and matter, because he wanted to show how important relativity is, how essential it is in understanding about what is actually going on around us. But that's not all about the book. This book, it doesn't just explain about the inanimate universe. In fact, it actually extends far further. It includes us, the human species, and how or what our position in the universe actually is. Now, he didn't want to create just another book about relativity, or maybe you'll just put Galileo or Einstein in it, maybe throw some physics equation, physics theory, and that's it. He doesn't want that. In fact, he wanted to give the subject a context. Yes, a context. In this case, it's the universe itself. Now, Clegg has the magical gift of reducing highly complex principles into simple and easy to understand concepts. Starting from the blocks of foundations, he builds his universe one block at a time in a clear and lucid manner. Using analogies and metaphors, he has an engaging and a highly conversational style of writing that draws the reader into his narrative and arguments. Now, the triumph of this book, The Reality Frame, is that it throws the door wide open towards you as the reader. It invites you in. The wonder and marvel of the universe, it is maintained, but the fun and the curiosity at understanding its inner workings are also retained. There is much to be learned within the pages, and it is for all readers, regardless of their understanding of science as they learn within the classroom. And for this reason, is why this book, The Reality Frame, is so fascinating and one kind of a treasure. Thank you for watching.